And I also went over to Home Depot and got some plants also to add to this flower arrangement. For when I get it done, she is going to have such a pretty, pretty container. So beautifully put together with all these beautiful plants. And this one was $5. And let's see. Isn't it beautiful? I love the deep burgundy color it is. And then, of course, I always love to add this. These smell so good. And then these beautiful little deep blue flowers. So beautiful. And I don't know if I'm going to use this or not. This may be too much for this container. It's not that big. But for sure, I'm using these because they're going to be small and low to the ground, and also these. Because I want to showcase my beautiful fairy. And she is the #1 reason why I'm doing this container. Well, let's get busy. I'm going to start building it. Let me know what you think. I thought I got some pretty nice little plants for my little fairy garden. And keep in mind, this I'm going to put together, and you'll see it probably on, say, today's Monday. You'll probably see it Wednesday or Thursday, because I have a couple tablescapes I've got to put up this week for challenges. Well, I have my container all ready to go to plant. I filled about half of it up with grass clippings at the bottom. That way it'll have a chance to, I didn't put any drainage holes in there, and that way the water can settle to the back and my root system won't be setting in water. And then I filled the other half up with soil. Eventually I'll probably just move this to into the ground eventually. Anyway, we'll see how it turns out. Well, the lighting is really bad out here. Well, we are finally have it finished. I planted one of these. It looks beautiful, and that is this one here. It was $4. This one here is these white ones right here, and I planted 4 of them, and they were $3, and I used 4 of them, so that'd be a little under $2. And I did 2 of these, and they were $3 for 6, so I used $2. I mean, a dollar. So it really wasn't too bad. That would be, what would that be? 5. It would be $3. So that would be $8 for plants, and probably another $1 or $2 in potting mix. So not too bad, because I really did use a 6-pack. I used the 2 white ones and the 2 blue ones, and they were $2.98 for a 6-pack. So I used a whole 6-pack, but I took them out of 2 different packages. So we have some left for tomorrow. There's the princess. Is she not beautiful? She is gorgeous. So, total cost of this now was $8 for plants. The succulents that you see on each side were cuttings off of my garden. No cost for either one of those. The moss I already had, no cost for that. The fairy was $2 and $1 for the wings. Let's add that up. Here she is, all lit up. Is she not beautiful? Oh, I thought she turned out so well. You can tell she's a princess. All the beautiful style that she has. Let me know what you think of her. Just love how she turned out. And her container is beautiful too. And I'm sure in another week or 2 it will even be more beautiful, because these plants will have had enough time to fill out.